You will learn how to protect worksheets and Google Sheets in this video. Here I have two worksheets which are named Data 1 and Data 2. I'm going to protect this worksheet. For that, right-click on the tab and select the Protect Sheet option. In that, you have two options to protect, one range and another one is sheet. Below that you can find a box with the drop-down option. In that drop-down, you will find all the worksheets. Select the worksheet which you are going to protect. Below that, you can find a checkbox. That checkbox will help us to accept certain cells and ranges from the protected sheet. Now by clicking on the Set Permissions, you can enable the sheet protection, in which you will find two options. One is to show a warning when editing this range and another one is to restrict who can edit this range. Now I'm selecting Restrict who can edit this range. After, below that you can find a box with the drop-down option, in which you will find Only You and the Custom. Now I'm selecting the Only You option. This option will protect the sheet and only you can edit and protect it from others in making any changes in the sheet. You can also edit the protection permission by clicking this Can Edit. Now click on Change Permissions. You can change permission from Only You to Custom. Just enter the email ID which you are going to share the permission. Click on Done. Now you have changed the permission from Only You to the mail ID you have entered. Click on Done. Now I show you how to set protection except for certain cell or range. By clicking the checkbox Except for Certain, you will find the box in below and in the you can enter cell or range. Click OK. By clicking Add Another Range, you can also make multiple exceptions for cells and ranges. Click on Done. Now you have exceptions multiple cells and ranges. Another kind of option to protect the sheet is by selecting Show a Warning when editing this range. Click Done. Now if the sheet will show a warning message while editing the sheet. If you want to avoid this warning message for a while, you can click on the checkbox here and click OK. That will not show you the warning message for 5 minutes. You can also remove this protection by clicking on it and pressing the delete icon and selecting Remove. That's it, the protection has now been removed. You have learned how to protect worksheets, ranges, and cells in Google Sheets.